Welcome! If you want to update your last name on Pinterest using the PC app after the new update, it's a quick and easy process. I'm going to guide you step by step so you can have your profile looking exactly how you want in no time. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This icon will take you directly to your settings menu. After clicking the gear icon, select Settings from the options that appear. Inside the settings area, find and click on Edit Profile to access your personal information. Now, you're in the section where you can make changes to your profile details. Scroll down a bit until you see the bar labeled Last Name. Click inside that bar, delete your current last name, and enter your new one. Always double-check the spelling to ensure it's exactly how you want it. When you're satisfied, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the change. And just like that, your Pinterest last name is updated. This helps keep your profile fresh and personalized, which is especially useful if you've recently changed your name or just want to refresh your online identity on Pinterest. Remember, keeping your profile information up to date makes it easier for friends and followers to recognize you. Now you're all set to continue exploring and pinning with your new last name on display. Thanks for watching.